Hey, welcome. It's Software Engineer 101. Today I'm going to talk about the big three data formats in programming: JSON, CSV, and XML. First up is the JSON, the JavaScript object notation. Quick brief history of the JSON. It was originally made in the early 2000s, but the first actual JSON message wasn't sent out until 2001. It was specified by Douglas Crockford. As you can see down here, there's kind of two ways to pronounce it. JSON as the name, and that's the way he intended it, but a lot of people do say JSON. The syntax of a JSON is based on a subset of the JavaScript programming language, and it is designed to be easy for humans to read, write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. A JSON typically contains one or more key value pairs, which a key can be a string, number, boolean, null, array, or another JSON object. As you can see here, we have a key value pair of employees, and inside of that key value pair is another set of key value pairs with a name and ID. Pros and cons of a JSON: they're human readable, easy for programs to parse and generate, they're lightweight and efficient, and well suited for web-based and mobile applications. Some of the cons are they don't support comments. There's no way to document or comment inside of a JSON, and it can be less efficient than other formats and large data sets, and it's not suited for high-performance data processing apps. Some of the popular programming languages that have really good libraries to build or parse or read a JSON are JavaScript. JSON is native to JavaScript and is supported by all modern web browsers. The JSON object in JavaScript provides methods for parsing JSON strings and converting them into JavaScript objects, as well as methods for converting JavaScript objects into JSON strings. Python's another one. The JSON module in Python provides for parsing JSON strings and converting them into Python objects, as well as methods for converting Python objects into JSON strings. Java has the org.json library, and that helps parse the JSON strings and convert them into Java objects. C# has the system.json namespace library, and it provides classes for parsing JSON strings and converting them into C# objects. PHP has the JSON encode and JSON decode functions to help provide methods for converting JSONs into PHP objects. Ruby is another one that has a JSON gem in Ruby. It provides methods for parsing JSON strings and converting them into Ruby objects. Next data format that we're going to cover is the CSV, which is known as comma-separated values. Comma-separated values file format is a simple text-based format that has been around for many decades. CSV files were first used in the early days of the electronic data processing to store data in structured formats that could be easily transferred between different computer systems. The format got really popular in the 70s and 80s as a way to exchange data between different software programs. The syntax for a CSV is pretty simple to read. The first row is going to be your columns, and then every row after that is going to be data. So as you can see here, this one has a column of name, age, gender, and city, and all the first items before the comma belong to the first column, second one to the second column, and vice versa. Some of the pros and cons of a CSV. The pros: they're simple and easy to read, opens in most text editors and spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel, small file sizes, and easy to parse and widely compatible with applications. Some of the cons: it limits formatting options, limited data types, and lack of data validation and no metadata support. Again, it's been around for quite a while, so there's a lot of libraries out there that support it. Python, Java, C#, JavaScript, PHP, Ruby, they all have really good libraries that can help generate or parse CSVs. Next up is the XML, which is Extensible Markup Language. XML is a markup language developed by the World Wide Web Consortium in 1996. It's designed to be a flexible and extensible way to store and exchange structured data over the internet. Its main purpose was to provide a common format that could be used to share data between different applications, platforms, and devices. And it was created as an alternative to HTML, which was designed to display data. XML was designed to describe and structure data. Here's an example of a XML syntax. Here you have tags. So this is a person tag, and inside of this person tag are 4 tags: a name, age, address tag, 3 tags, sorry. And inside of the address tag, you have more nested tags: street, city, state, zip. Some of the pros of XML is it's easy to read, easy to parse, flexible format, and it supports nested tags and elements. Some of the cons: it can be verbose and bulky, not a fixed format, lack of standardization, and large XML files are difficult to work with. XML's been around for a while, so it's got a lot of libraries out there for different languages. Pretty much all the same ones that we've covered before. Java has an API for XML processing. C# has linked to XML, XML document object model known as the DOM. Python has the XML element tree libraries. C++ has the tiny XML and rapid XML libraries. Perl has XML, libxml. Ruby has re-XML libraries. JavaScript has the XML2 JavaScript library and XML builder. And PHP has the simple XML and DOM libraries. Well, there you have it. It's a quick overview of the 3 of the most common data formats used in programming. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And I'll see everyone next time. Thanks.